If you're new on this, this is Elvis Presley's private jet that I bought for a mere $234,000 at a Mecum auction.
And it is sold $260,000.
And let's just say the last video we found out it will never fly again, which I'm very sad about.
It's just not feasible. There's no possible way that plane is flying.
However, I think, and you guys suggested it, we could turn it into an Airbnb. What's it going to take to turn it into an Airbnb, and how much would you pay to stay in this thing, and where can we put it? So let's take a look inside and see what it's going to take to be an Airbnb type of thing. Come on in. To be a really cool Airbnb, first it's got to be cool. It doesn't get much cooler than this. Red velvet and brass gold everywhere. We can put our closet here for people to put their stuff. We got entertainment system right here so people can watch some VHS, stuff, and a cassette player up there. Got a TV back here so you can relax and chillax. Couch. Could be where you sleep, maybe. 1 table, 2 tables, 3 tables in this airplane. I mean, and you got a bathroom, so you need that when you're renting and you have an Airbnb. You got a kitchenette here with a microwave. Back here, can't really see, but it's there. The big question is, how much do you charge per night or per day or whatever to rent this thing out as an Airbnb? And I did some Googling, and I found a Miss Dolly Parton is renting her tour bus out, sit down, $10,000 a night. What? I mean, if Dolly Parton is renting her tour bus out for that, maybe we can rent Elvis's private jet out for like $100,000 per night. Now that's just crazy. But that does give me an idea. Think, I'm 6 foot, so that would make that out there 7.5 feet. So that should work. I think distance-wise, how far is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, excuse me, 7, 8, 9. So my footsteps are roughly 3 feet. My stride is 3 feet. This can work. Hear me out. Let's go outside and I'll show you what I'm thinking. What if we turned Elvis Presley's private jet into Elvis Presley's private RV, the king of the road? This can work. Here's my vision. An RV already has all the stuff on it. Diesel motor and stuff in the back. It'll be covered under that. And it's got wheels and that kind of thing on it. Then it's also got a generator that we can use to power lights and air conditioner and all that kind of stuff. And then it's got a water system on it, so we can have a functional bathroom, functional microwave, functional TV, functional stereo system, lights and all that fancy stuff. The steering wheel, if we mount it like right here, we could keep the captain's seats, and that's where the steering wheel would go. How awesome is that? This is gonna work. This is gonna be fantastic. Now that does bring up one small question. That's what do we do with all the extra stuff that we're not gonna use, because we can't put the wings on it and drive down the road. The tail is far too tall for that, so we're gonna have to take all that stuff off. We need something, some way to be worthy of the king and his legacy so that it lives on. What do you guys think? What should we do with the extra material that we're not going to use? That'd be interesting. I'd love to get your feedback on it. Help save the Elvis jet. So I think little by little, we are going to create one heck of an experience that we can take all around the country so that everybody else can be able to experience Elvis's private jet. This is fantastic.